Yeah, I love you, girl.
Love you. Hey guys, it's Kim and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my first vlog. I'm actually in Montreal with my best friend celebrating my birthday. Just turned 29. My birthday was yesterday. So we're gonna go out today. We're gonna have lunch and we're gonna go out for dinner and drinks. So I'm gonna take you with me. I'm going to my favorite place in Montreal. I love Three Amigos. Their tacos are fire, like unmatched. So we're gonna go there for lunch. We're getting ready right now. My bestie is right there. So we're gonna go out, grab something to eat, and then we're gonna come back, have a few drinks, and go out for dinner. Actually get cute and go out for dinner because yesterday I had way too much to drink my birthday eve and definitely messed up my birthday. So today we're gonna take it easy. We're still gonna have some drinks, but we're not gonna go overboard. We're gonna go out for lunch right now. I'll take you guys with me. I'm a bit scared to record in public because I've never done it, but I still want you guys to see Three Amigos. It's so cute. Love the food, love being there. Every time I come to Montreal, I go. So that's where I'm gonna have lunch, and I will see you guys when our Uber comes. Bye. Usually occasionally I always come to, this is the truth. What the inside looks like. We have the menu, the QR code. We're gonna get some tacos and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. But this is what the inside looks like. Holy smokes, the thing is massive. You're gonna be drunk. Not from this. Kim. Literally, y'all. This hot sauce is so fucking, it's so hot. Morning guys, it's a day after Three Amigos. Yesterday we didn't do too much because Montreal is still a bit restrictive. I believe they said until March 15th, so there's not much to do. There's not too much to do, which is why I want to come back in the summer. But we ended up just coming back and watching Too Hot to Handle, but we still wanted to go out, so we ended up around 10 or 10:30 going to a bar. It was a small place. It's really close to where we are, and we just had like a beer and a mixed drink and just hung out, talked, laughed, had a good time, and then came back to Airbnb and got something to eat. So it wasn't too eventful. Again, because everything is still restricted until March 15th, there's not too much that we could have done. But it was still nice last night. But we're gonna go out again tonight, so I'll check in with you guys when we're getting dressed, and yeah, we'll see how tonight goes. Okay guys, so we're downtown Montreal. It's a bit cold, I'm not gonna lie, and we're lost because somebody we're trying to figure out where this damn place is. And the shoes that I'm wearing, we don't have too much walking time left in them, so we're trying to figure it out. But I'm gonna let you see how nice it looks downtown, and there's so many people out. I'm actually shocked. Let me figure out how to turn the camera. So we couldn't find the place that we initially wanted to go to. So we're gonna walk and find somewhere else. Anywhere that says liquor works. Looks like there's one over there. After Club. Sorry. Hey guys, so welcome to the last day. We're gonna try to get as much done today as possible because we don't have a lot of video. So we're gonna go out for lunch right now. But before we go, we're gonna take a shot just to get the day started because I feel like today needs to be on point. Okay, so we're gonna start out by taking a shot, then we're gonna go out for lunch. We chose 2 places, so we're gonna figure out which one we wanna do, and then we're gonna go grab something to eat, come back, probably watch, what's up? John Wick, and then we're gonna go out for dinner, then go to a bar later on today. So I'm gonna try to get as much video as possible today. It was just hard to go out as much as we wanted to because we kind of stayed out of downtown, which means the Uber prices were ridiculous. Like last night, coming back from the club, we're gonna discuss that. Coming back from the club, we paid like $32 for the Uber. So yeah, so we're gonna take a shot, just a good wake me up shot to get the day started. Cheers and bench, baby. Inside the restaurant is called Soba Sushi. Let's see how this goes. That was an epic fail. The place that we chose, there's no seating, it's pickup only. But it didn't say that at all on the website. So now we're gonna take a walk and just see what else we can find to eat. The second place that we chose to go to, it's like, yeah, it's right there. So let's see. Luckily, the second place that we chose is right there. So we're gonna see. Dang, I was kind of like looking forward to having sushi, so. Sir, if you don't get your big ass truck. Let's see how this goes. So this is the second place. We're gonna see how this one goes. So the second place we chose, the smell, the environment, everything was just off. It's not what I'm feeling for. I'm really hungry though, so I'm really hoping that we'll find something soon. Preferably sushi, because that's what I'm craving. But we're gonna see what we can find. How you feeling? Good. Hungry? Hungry. Okay, let's keep walking and see. Yeah, I'm hungry as hell. Sandwiches and salad. Oh my, no. That he just said a place only has sandwiches and salads. Like, no one has time for that, especially when you're not at home, please. So we're gonna keep looking. We have to be able to find somewhere else. Let's see. That place literally just basically has, like, it's a Subway. So we're gonna keep going. We have been walking for like an hour. So finally, hopefully the food's good. Because I'm starving. We started eating already. The chicken cube fried rice. I got my hot sauce. And we got, what's this called, Sarah? Sake. And she got the shrimp fried rice. So, yeah. That shit was wash it in oil. That was not it. And I can eat. I can put my food back. But whenever you see me eat something back, I'm not sorry. The shots are horrible as well. So now we're gonna go to a bar and drop my sorrows. Probably take 2 shots and then let my friend take the rest. And then, yeah. So we'll see you at the bar now. Stop number 2 for the day. Hopefully we get what we need. Oh, that's like a stick. So it's the inside. I kind of like it. It's like an old skeezer bar, but it's my vibe. We're starting off strong. 2 tequila shots. How you feeling? We've been here for 5 minutes. We already had 2 tequila shots. We got 2 sent to us. That's why I love these bars. Like there's always older Caucasian fellas that will always. No, it's true. They will always send you shots. So find you an old dusty bar and go there. You'll drink all night for free. Hey, look. You're gonna smile. Why are you smiling? Oh my goodness.
This is our, what number?
It's a
Third tequila shot at this bar. Here we go. Cheers, salut.
We are very free.
And the best people are.
Love you guys, man.
Our awesome bartender.
Amazing.
What are the odds? I would have never thought that, but I had to. You don't want to. Hey. We got it. We got it. We got it. To the weekend.
Here we go to the weekend. Baby.
That was so crazy. Okay guys, so we decided to stay here a bit longer because the vibe is nice. Am I lying?
The vibe is immaculate.
They've been buying us shots. We actually bought a round because the girls that get it, and the girls that get it didn't. But we ended up buying them rounds as well. So we're gonna stay here for a while because the prices are cheap as heck. We just moved dinner to a bit later so we can stay a bit longer. So we're gonna keep drinking. We have 2 beers and we have 2 more shots, and then we're gonna have some more.
Happens. And whatever does it.
This girl sounds like she's ready to risk it all, but I'm having a good time actually. So yeah, we'll see you guys the next round a little bit later. Okay guys, so we're on shot number 7 and beer number 3. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling every damn thing. But we're gonna stay here for another 45 minutes because the liquor is cheap as hell. I have never seen these prices. Like shots are $3.75, beers are it's like 3 something because we're $3.75 as well.
Oh.
Yeah, so we've been drinking all day. Like we bought rounds twice and our bill is only at $75. So guess what? We finna stay for a long time. Right? So how you feeling, mama?
I'm feeling good.
You look good too. Alright then, baby girl. Oh,
Thank
you.
you.
Look cute. Living love after love. And you know what the guy said? The guy said that once we walked in, he knew we were best friends.
Hey,
and
Tio.
Ready?
Cheers, everybody.
Here we go. It's Saturday, so be
Montreal!
Yeah, I love you, girl.
Love you! Hi everyone, we are at Rustic in Montreal and we're 10 shots deep. We are 10 shots deep. It's happy hour and we're ready to go. 5 shots and a couple beers.
Guys, I'm happy. I know I'm a little
Now I have to sue her for defamation because she lied on my name.
There will be
Where's the line?
We're drunk.
No, you're drunk. I'm intoxicated because that's cute. So
We're in Montreal, guys.
I know, baby.
No.
I am so embarrassed.
Embarrassment.
I am embarrassed.
She embarrassed me the whole day.
And I
Made me walk 40 minutes.
Y'all, I wish I recorded.
I was stressed, guys. That's a story time, like for TikTok.
No, it's a story time, but I don't have any pictures because I was really trying to be a good friend.
You don't need pictures. You just need to imagine. No, the pictures would have just set you guys.
Yo, I don't know if you guys have ever watched. If you guys have ever watched How to Get Away with Murder with when
Elise was crying through the. No, if you don't get the fuck out of my face. It's me.
This is a real her.
Hi guys.
I'm Elise.
I'm starting a charity for kids of the needy. Please drop your gifts off to
She is the
575
kid of the needy.
Stevenson in Oshawa.
Cheyenne, where the hell is that? She is the needy. Plot twist: the Shy's wearing all your donation. Okay, we've been a little bit tipsy, so we're gonna sign out until we leave.
Sign out because
We'll show you what else we drink, but we're gonna sign out because Nashai is out here asking for donations.
I'm weak.
No, I love it. I'm having fun. All right, we'll see you guys soon. Peace,
Adios.
love, and hair grease.
Ciao. I can't say ciao.
That's another way to say bye. Au revoir.
Bonsoir. Let me see. 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
We went to thank for so
Okay,
long,
thank
but we're gonna go to eat right now. So we're gonna. This Uber doesn't have the right license plate, but Jesus take the wheel. All right, lovelies, we're on our way to the last spot for the night. We're gonna have dinner. Like, we stayed at the last spot way longer than what we expected to stay. So it's so pretty though. I just want to show you guys that. It's so freaking pretty. We're gonna end up having to go here because the place that we wanted to go to is packed. Like, the lineup is hectic. Plus the Hooters is packed. So we're gonna end up having to go here. I'm just hoping we can get in and get some good food because I'm hungry. It's been a long day of us trying to get food. That's hectic. Oops, sorry. What's this place called?
I don't know. Bob Lazelle.
We don't know.
Bob Lazelle.
We don't know where the hell we are. But the vibe is nice. I'm hungry as hell. So I'm just here for the food. Had a great last day. We're supposed to go to a whole Italian dinner in restaurant, but cars were not aligned, so here we are. It's really nice, and I'm gonna keep eating. One thing about me, I don't waste food, so I'm gonna take a break and then finish my meal up. Then we're gonna have some drinks and go home and watch a movie. And then we're gonna get up at like 10 a.m. tomorrow to get ready to go home. Okay guys, so it's time for us to check out. Our checkout is at 11, so we're gonna take the garbage down and then come back for our bags. It's now 10:44. We're all packed and ready to go. But I had a good time. I feel like my only regrets is that I came in the winter one because I didn't get to wear any heels because it was so slushy. And I also have a regret of staying so far from downtown because I feel like if we were closer to downtown, I would have a lot more footage of different things that we would do. but because we stayed so far and then Ubering back and forth was just crazy. So those are my only two regrets. It was a week, had a good time. It was a great way to get away from just my regular life, just not my regular life, but just get away for a bit, and still be in the same country. But had a good time. We're gonna take the garbage down, and then I'll probably still put in clips of like what we have for lunch and then our train ride home, and then that will be all. I hope the video was entertaining because I had a good time, especially last night.